project, or Dappt.com, man, Dappt token, is very interesting. When I first went to the website, I was a little bit confused. I was unsure of like, what exactly is this, and what's the utility for this token. In this video, we're going to be talking about Dappt, or ticker DAPPT, possibly a gem over on Kucoin. Guys, look at this chart. We are seeing a massive pump right now on the weekly candle, on the daily candle. Look at this massive daily candle, guys. This thing is absolutely skyrocketing right now, and I actually just dumped some money into it, and you can see right here, guys, look at the profits so far. And I'm not kidding you, I just did this yesterday. Look, you can see up here at the top, 0 days, 7 hours, and 24 minutes ago is when I started this grid trading bot over on Kucoin. And look at this. Look at how much profit I've made already. Already up 36%. Total profits almost $150 in the past 7 hours, guys, on this token called Dappt. And if you want to get in on this, or if you want to use these trading bots, or if you think I should make some more videos about Kucoin and maybe the trading bots on Kucoin, please drop some comments in the comment section. But stick around for this video because we're going to jump right on into the Dappt chart, and we're also going to jump into what exactly this token is and what it's related to. So stick around for that. I would like to first just point out, before we jump on into the charts and the details around this project, I'd like to point out the fact that on this grid trading bot, you can see that current grid profits up 60, and you can see floating profit and loss at 79. So that's why the total profits is showing 139. Now, also, guys, you can see that current grid APR is 5,500%, and the total APR here, estimated APR, is 12,800%, guys. So like I said, before we jump into the token here, before we jump into what exactly this is, and also before we jump into the chart here, guys, before we jump into the chart, guys, if you are new to the channel, come on over and join Average Joe Crypto. Awesome growing cryptocurrency community. We're closing in on 8,000 subscribers. Help us get there by hitting that subscribe button if you would, and smash that like button. Let's smash the likes up on this video. Let's get these likes up. I appreciate you guys so much. Let's dive right on into it. When we come over here and we look at token.dappt.com, it gives us a little breakdown of this. So with insight comes opportunity. And make full use of all the open, transparent, on-chain data and turn them into intel that tells you what's happening on the blockchain and make predictions. So this is like a perfect tool set here for traders or people that are beginning to learn how to trade. Dappt.com trading signal is introduced to convert actions on the blockchain into actionable buy, sell, or hodl suggestions based on technical or fundamental analysis. So this is, like I said, overall, very cool, and very potentially useful for current traders, experienced traders, or inexperienced beginning traders. You can see right here it says get early access to trading signals. You can put in your email there and get on the wait list for early access to the trading signals. And if we drop down here to where it says our data, you can see it has 22 plus blockchains. They have integrated with over 22 leading blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Matic, Zilliqa, etc. They have 5,000 plus blockchain apps listed. So they've listed and track on-chain and off-chain performance of over 5,000 centralized services and decentralized apps, or dApps, including DeFi protocol, DEXs, NFTs, etc. 30 plus on-chain metrics. They monitor over 50 different types of on-chain activities such as buy, sell, token, flash loan, liquidation, remove liquidity, etc. to cover your need of fundamental analysis. And they cover 50 plus trading alerts, which is coming soon. You can see that. Not available just yet. You can join the wait list. They provide real-time customized trading alerts that tells you exactly what is happening to a token or a dApp, including whale movement, liquidity removed, large buy order, etc. for your best trading decisions. So overall, this right here alone, guys, for somebody that is into trading and wants to become even more educated into trading, this is very useful and very cool. Here it gives a little breakdown and info on the Dappt token. So the Dappt token is a utility token that circulates with Dappt.com's products and services. Dappt is necessary to access subscription tiers and features of the Dappt.com ecosystem. So basically the token is the utility token of this whole entire platform here and their website. Looks like you can buy NFTs on OpenSea, F1 Delta Time, and others using the Dappt token. Dappt holders get early access, exclusive features, and discounts on our subscription services. And it is available on Kucoin and MXC. Here you have a list of their investors and partners, which is pretty big. You've got Binance, you've got Tron, Opera, CoinGecko, and a few others that I'm unfamiliar with. And speaking of Opera, guys, you can see here that Dappt.com forms exclusive partnership with Opera for its new Dappt store. So the Opera browser supporting this as well. And you can see they've been mentioned in Forbes, Entrepreneur, CoinDesk, Fox Business, Yahoo, Opera Blogs, CCN, and Cointelegraph. So now that you're probably fairly interested in this, let's take a look at the chart here for the token that is used over at Dappt.com. Now, you can see that this thing is actually, if we put it on the daily and we drag it back here and look at the previous price action, you can see that this thing has seen pretty massive pumps and dumps, right? I mean, not necessarily just a pump and a dump, but massive pumps here, massive pumps, and then, consolidation, and we did it again and consolidated. And now we're starting to be on the verge of another pump, it looks like to me, which is why I did drop that money in there 7 hours ago on the grid trading bot over on Kucoin. So if we look at this right now, you can see that it does look like we are on the verge of a massive breakout here. This thing is already broken above all key moving averages, and it does seem like to me it's going to probably perform something similar to how it performed back here in the price action. Once we broke above all key moving averages, you can see what happened back here. Once this happened back here, we pumped pretty high, guys. Let's just see how much this was real quick. This was a pretty decent little pump here, and if we bring it down here to the breakout point to the top there, that was almost a 300% pump, guys. Okay, and this thing's already up quite a bit right now. You can see that currently it is up almost 150% right now. Now let's just go ahead and draw some trend lines in here real quickly. I'm going to start at the candle close here on the daily chart instead of the wick there. Bring this down here, connect some of these candles to our possible breakout point, put in a line of support here, and see where this kind of gets us. Depending on where this line of support kind of lines up, it does look like it's going to line up pretty nicely. Nice falling wedge breakout, guys. So we do have a little small, it looks to me to be somewhat of a small measured move to look at, but we can go ahead and put this in here as our measured move. And if we bring it over here to that breakout point, since we have already broken out, that is going to get us right up here to about 0.008 cents. Okay, and that makes perfect sense if you look back here in the price action, because it does line you up right here with some of this previous resistance. So it would make sense to come up and test that, possibly get a small pullback, and then a continuation to the upside. One thing to point out to watch out for this token, right now currently in the price action, it does look like you can see right here is where the current price action is, and if we look back here, it does look like we're coming up and testing this previous support back here. Okay, so that's probably likely the reason you're seeing this small pullback here currently in the price action, a very small pullback right there on the daily chart, but it is currently testing this previous support from back here in the price action. So it's likely that, we might see this kind of stall out right here before continuing to the upside. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this update. This is just a random token that I noticed on Kucoin, and it seemed like it was doing good, so I jumped into it, looked into it a little bit, and got very interested in it, and decided to share it with you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure before you leave, if you're not subscribed to the channel, join us by hitting that subscribe button and destroy that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps out a ton. It really, really helps. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the